Trends, the basics. One of the major criticisms of technical analysis is that it has yet to be thoroughly computerized and tested. As we saw, many relationships have been tested in the past but then break down as future unfolds. The other constants, it seems, are that trends occur and that they are the source of profit when recognized and properly utilized. Practice and mental anguish are the background of any successful technical analyst. The most expensive education in the world is likely the money lost in incorrect, sloppy, or undisciplined decisions. All market participants make mistakes, but the regiment professionals correct them quickly. Trends terminology. Trends define a direction in prices. When we refer to trend, we describe a directional trend, one of rising or falling prices from which a profit can be generated with trend following method. We refer to sideways trend as trading range or neutral area. Basic trends analysis Dow theory. Dawes' final and perhaps most important observation was that their very nature trends tend to continue rather than reverse. If it were otherwise, first there will not be a trend, and second the trend would not be used for profit. We know from behavioral studies that psychologically a positive feedback mechanism in our minds tends collectively to maintain that trend. In an uptrend, for example, buyers who have profited tend to continue being buyers, and new buyers seeing what they have missed also buy. The price trend continues upward. Peaks and troughs. What is the simplest way to look at prices and determine the trend? The easiest is to look for peaks and troughs within the series of price oscillations. If peak tends to be higher than earlier peaks, then their earlier peaks and the troughs tend to be higher than previous troughs, the trend must be upward. If peaks and troughs are lower than previously, trend must be downward. Determining a trading range. Trading ranges or sideways trends occur when peaks and troughs appear roughly at similar levels. The peaks cluster at certain price levels and troughs cluster at certain price level below the peaks. The configuration usually occurs after a larger trend has come to temporary halt. A trading range also is called a consolidation or congestion area or a rectangle formation. Charles Doe. What is support and resistance? When prices have been rising and then reverse downward, the highest point in the rise, the peak, is referred to as resistance point, a level at which the advance has met with selling resistance. It is level at which sellers are as powerful and aggressive as buyers and halt the advance. How do analysts use trading ranges? The most profitable and reliable way to use trading range is to practice breakout trading. Breakout trading can be used in many different ways other than for just trading ranges. One of the most famous is the Donchian breakout method, also called 4-week breakout system, originated by Richard Donchian and later improved upon by Richard Dennis. It still produces profits, especially in commodity future markets. Its calculation is absurdly simple. Buy when the highest high over the past 4 weeks is broken and sell when the lowest low over the past 4 weeks is broken. A stop and reverse strategy requires a position, long or short, at all times. Breakout is a powerful signal. It indicates that a balance between demand and supply has been settled, usually violently, and thus in an indication of the initiation or continuation of directional trend. Directional trends up and down. We have just considered trading ranges in which successive peak and troughs occur at roughly the same price level. This results in flat or sideways trend in prices. What is directional trend? When a peak and trough occur at higher price levels than the immediately previous peak and troughs, the trend has turned upward. Conversely, for a peak and trough lower than their previous peak and trough, the trend has turned down. The angle of the trend, therefore, is determined by amount by which peaks and troughs are higher or lower than previous levels. General rule for trend lines. Several standard rules have been developed about trend lines. One is that the longer and the more times that the another is that the steeper the trend line, the sooner it will be broken. This is obvious in an accelerating trend line, but is equally true in steep straight trend line. Other types of trend lines. Concept of trend is central to field of technical analysis. Therefore, analysts have developed a number of applications and variations of trend line. Trend lines are not just useful with bar charts. Analysts using point and figure charts make use of trend lines.